A lot of auto repair shops are facing a technician shortage, and they're only expecting it to get worse. The solution, they say, is to recruit a new generation of workers. A San Diego-based tech company is helping by introducing high school students to future careers in collision repair. ABC 10 News reporter Natay Holmes joins us live with that outreach program. Hey, Natay.
Virginia, good morning. So yes, now if you are familiar with cars, you may remember this large book. This is the Mitchell Diagnostics Guide, and there's a few of them here. But years ago, it would show technicians in the auto body shop how to fix or price the repair of your vehicle. Well, now everything has gone digital. So leaders here at Mitchell say that there is a need for more technicians, whether you're using software or if you're just using your hands in the auto body shop. So today, the company is showing students the type of careers they would have as a technician, again, whether you're working with your hands or using that software.
We're starving for people to work in our industry.
Now, students from the auto body shop class at Santana High School took a field trip here to Mitchell Technical Research Center. It's in Miramar. The San Diego-based company uses 3D imaging software to perform calibrations. This determines what needs to be fixed on the car. The students were able to get a first-hand look at the diagnostics process. Now, as we know, the technology of cars are improving. So leaders, though, at Mitchell say that many of the techs in the auto collision business have left.
COVID-19 had an effect on the industry in that a lot of our older talented folks that did collision repair just decided to retire. Auto collision repair was about Bondo and paint and a little bit of sheet metal and stuff like that. Today it's largely tech, and we're really struggling to get youngsters interested, or at least, make them aware that this is actually a viable career.
Now, the company says this is a pilot program, and they will grab feedback from the school administrators that they work with on how to better the program. But the goal is to work with more schools and districts in the future. But back out here live, you can see those students really taking in this program here. Now, as a part of it, the students at Santana High School will get to have Mitchell software as part of their next class. In Miramar, Natay Holmes, ABC 10 News.